Today, we are making a very popular and very classic na cake. Alam niyo yung custard cake, yung leche flan sa taas, pero chiffon na nasa ilalim? Akala mo, ginagawa yung leche flan at yung cake separately. Pero in truth, isang lutuan lang siya. And we are going to do that for you today. And ito, perfect siya. Pag may handaan ka, pwede mong pamigay, or pwede mo ding inegosyo. We will start off, kasi pag leche flan yung gagawin mo, unahin mo talaga yung arnibal. So, ito, meron akong 3/4 cup na white sugar, granulated sugar. Spread it around. And we will melt this, no, and caramelize. So, I have here 1/4 cup of water. Just drizzle it around. So, we want to cook our sugar. Let it caramelize until it has a nice golden brown color. Tatabi natin yan, no? And this is my cake pan. It's 9 inches by 4. And we will start making our custard while we're waiting for this. So, for this, I will be using 1 whole egg and 3 egg yolks. So, ito, very important. Very clean yung bowl natin. Separate. Use fresh eggs. Yan. 1, 2. Be very careful na walang nahahalong egg yolk dito sa ating egg white. And the last one. So, the egg yolk dito will make our leche flan very rich. Pero, yung addition natin ng isang egg white will stabilize our flan. So, yan. That's done. We'll put our egg whites aside. So, we're using 3 egg yolks, 1 whole egg, 1 can of Carnation Condensada, and half of this Carnation Everyday Creamer. So, we will just combine that. But before doing that, I will check on my syrup, my caramel. It's beginning to brown on the edges. Bantay-bantay lang tayo. This can be very hot, ha? So, dapat maingat tayo. And don't stir. Just watch it as it turns golden. Tingnan mo, nag-golden na siya sa gilid. So, ito, no? You see, oh, it's beginning to turn a beautiful color. Bantay-bantay tayo para hindi siya masunog. Kasi pag nasunog siya, it becomes bitter. Yan. And pour natin. Yan. And let it cool down a bit before we add our custard. So, spread it evenly, no? Let's beat our eggs and slowly add our condensed milk. Stir, stir, stir. We don't want to aerate, ha? So, wag masyadong aggressive. Gentle lang. Add natin ating condensed milk and half of our Carnation Everyday Creamer. Then vanilla. Now it's time to pour our custard mixture into our pan gently. No? So we make sure na walang lumps, walang buong-buong egg whites or anything. And scrape para walang sayang. Put this aside and let it rest as we prepare our chiffon cake. And what we are doing right now, we will continue preparing our egg. So, here I have the 3 egg whites and I will add 3 more egg whites to the bowl. So, yan. And the egg yolks, I will add to the sugar. So, yan. Gentle, gentle. 1, 2, 3 egg yolks. Throw this away. Let's clean up. And for our wet ingredients, we have our sugar and egg yolks. Add our oil. We are using half a cup of oil. It has to be a neutral oil. So we are using either canola or corn oil. A bit of vanilla. Yan, vanilla natin. Vanilla extract. And the other half of our Carnation Everyday Creamer. Etong chiffon natin, dahil sa creamer natin, malinamnam siya. Mix all that together, dissolve the sugar. So this is our wet mixture, and now we'll prepare our dry mixture. 1 cup of flour. I'm just using all-purpose flour. Sieve, 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 sieve. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And salt, half a teaspoon. Ayan. Mix everything together to combine. Ayan, oh. Then we will just pour in our wet mixture. Combine lang natin siya. Napakadali lang. So this cake will be very light and fluffy. Combine, mix lang natin siya. So this will have a consistency like a pancake mix. Be sure to scrape the bottom of your bowl para walang natirang mga bubong flour, no? So you see the texture of our batter? Very nice. So we are using our 6 egg whites. And very important dito, you add a bit of acid. So if you don't have cream of tartar, usually it's cream of tartar. Kung wala kang cream of tartar, pwede konting kalamansi, konting lemon, or suka. So ito suka, konting-konti lang, isang patak halos, like less than 1/4 teaspoon. Just add it to our eggs to stabilize. So we will start beating our eggs, no? Get it to a frothy state. Yan. So what we are doing here, we are aerating the egg whites. As we beat, pumapasok yung hangin, kaya umaalsa siya, nagiging bubble. So the more you beat it, the more bubbles come in, and yung bubbles nila, paliit ng paliit. That's why it slowly becomes white, becomes opaque. So we will just beat that. So nagbibigay ng lift sa ating cake, dalawa, yung baking powder sa ating wet mixture, and dito, the aeration of the egg whites, yun ang nagpapaalsa sa ating cake. Kaya, very light and very fluffy ito. And little by little, as we beat it, yung eggs natin, tingnan mo, paliit ng paliit yung kanyang bubbles. Now, it's time to add our sugar little by little. And what we want to achieve here are soft peaks. So, mix lang tayo. Siguro mga 3 to 4 minutes to. Last of our sugar. So, ito, the way you do it, imagine your mixture. Ito yung wet mixture mo. Pwede natin gawin, kuha tayo ng konti nating meringue and fold it in here. So, ginagawa natin, we are lightening our wet mixture. So, ito, di ba, nag-lighten na siya. Then now, when this is lightened, we will slowly fold it into our meringue. So, half of this, fold in. So, ang key mo dito, you are gentle para hindi makawala yung ating bubbles from our egg whites, no? We trap the bubbles, and when we incorporate the other mixture, we also want to keep the bubbles. Now, we add the other half. Be sure to scrape, walang sayang, spread it around. And this will make a very nice cake. And we have preheated our oven to 160 degrees. And very important, while we are mixing this, mag-subscribe na kayo sa simple.ph YouTube channel. And also check out our website because our recipes are also there. We have a lot of recipes on our website written. Pagdating naman sa YouTube are the videos. Yan, no? So that one, scooping from the under para maalaman natin na it's properly incorporated. And take note, ha? Tingnan mo, ha? Mukha siyang ice cream, mukha siyang ulap. And I will now add it here. So, ang ating leche flan is very dense, di ba? Walang tubig. Very thick yung ating maliquids. Condensed milk, everyday creamer. While ito naman siya is very light. So, ito siya. What will happen? It will just float on top our leche flan. Hindi siya magiging parang magmi-mix, no? Yan. Yan. Flatten lang natin siya ng maayos, oh. This is a very nice cake. And remember, ito siya, look ha, wala tayong nilagay na oil or butter. So ito, para hindi siya bumagsak, we did not add any oil or fat. And we put our cake and the bottom pan, we will fill with water. So nangyayari dito sa water natin, it will regulate the heat of our cake. So this will cook for around 50 minutes to 1 hour. cook at 160 degrees Celsius. So, timer natin ng ganyan. So, hina-hina ang luto, hindi natin minamadali para paglabas niya. Really perfect. Really light, chiffon, and very custardy, silky, and very luxurious yung ating leche flan. And for now, while we're waiting for that, magliligpit muna tayo. And let's check on our custard cake. So, you only open it when the time is up para sigurado tayong hindi babagsak yung ating cake. And secondly, use a toothpick or a cake tester, break it in the middle, and if it comes out clean, ibig sabihin luto na siya, no? Diba? Ito siya, safety tip, pag tinanggal mo, wag mong isabay na tanggalin yung ating bain marie, no? You just remove the cake on top so that you don't spill the hot water close, and we let it cool down completely. Just leave it there, let it cool down, and in a few hours, at least 3 hours or 6 hours, pwede mo na siyang i-flip. So, for now, babalikan natin yan. Rest tayo. Pag ready na yan, titikman na natin. So, ito na yung ating cake. Completely cooled down. We just loosen the edges and flat na yung surface natin. And all we have to do, we have to make sure na loosen talaga yung gilid niya. Ha? So, this is really the perfect recipe for you to do, lalo na pag may party, may handaan, may bisita. But even just for your family, lalo na pag may mga bata, they will really love this recipe. Now, I think we are ready to flip. And ready. And eto na ang ating custard cake. Look at that. And let us slice. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Oh. Ang sarap. Excited ako tumikim. Sarap. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Magugustuhan talaga ito ng mga bata. So, this is a recipe you can master and pwede mo i-showcase kung may bisita ka, may barkada ka, may handaan kayo, get together pang potluck. So, eto, napakasarap. Leche flan, chiffon cake, or custard cake. Simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.